Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back with another wig install. Anytime you see your girl all glammed up like this, as I always say, it is going to be a wig review video time. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Fabelle. Fabelle sent me their fabulous fabulous, no wonder their name is Fabelle. They sent me their fabulous beautiful braided wig for me to review for you guys, and I'm so excited for today's video. I even had to put on pink just to give this Barbie look because the color of the braided wig is blonde. Anyways, let me not talk too much, let's just go straight into the unboxing. So this is how the packaging comes in. Fabelle is written on it and their Instagram handle is at the back of the box. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Let's just go straight into the unboxing as we always do here on the channel. So this wig comes with a wig cap, which is very important. I always say these wig caps are so important, and they were so kind to add, you know, hair accessories. This is a braided wig, as I have said, and they added some hair accessories to it just so that you can, you know, jazz things up a little. Now this is the wig. It is a blonde colored braided wig. So this is the beautiful wig. Look at the juicy beautiful color of this wig. I think the color of this wig is color 613. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to have the correct color on the screen. You guys, this wig is so gorgeous, and it is 32 inches long. Yeah, this wig is 32 inches long, and you guys can see that this is a boho braided wig. So gorgeous. Look at the color. The color is so rich, and you know, it's just so beautiful. And then the tips of the wig is curled. I love this color. You guys, have you ever had this color of braids done on your head before? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I have only had to do this color once, and since then I have never like done this color because I just feel like the color won't look good on me. But right now I'm gonna try it, and I know it's going to come out really beautiful. So I'm just going to put the wig on my head. Let's see what this wig is giving. Right before I go ahead to put the wig on my head, I wanted to show you guys the inner construction of the wig. You guys, this wig has a very sturdy you know, elastic band to hold your wig in place. This wig also has combs inside of it as usual. It has 4 combs inside of it, and it also has an elastic strap. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the elastic strap at the back. This is just to help your wig to stay in place. So let's put the wig on. Let's see what it is going to give. You guys, this is how the wig is looking like on your girl's face. What do you guys think? For me, this is giving like Barbie, because blondes have more fun, right? So it is giving like Barbie princess, Barbie vibe look, which I really love. You guys, this is just so cute. Like, I love it. It's giving Barbie. I'm like the braided Barbie queen. I'm a braided Barbie queen right now with this wig. This wig also has some, you know, some baby hairs in front. I don't know if you guys can see it. You know, it's blonde, right? So it might be hard to see, but it has like cute baby hairs in front. So this is how it is looking like. The braid is like a triangle braided wig, like it is shaped in a triangle form, which is really cute. And this wig is so lightweight, it doesn't even feel like I am putting anything on my head right now. It's so cute. Like, I love it so much. This is really giving Barbie. It's giving Barbie. Like, you guys can see that the lace doesn't blend well with my skin, and it's not looking cute, so I have to like put foundation on the lace to blend it well with my skin. And we can go ahead to install this wig, and I will come back and show you guys the finished look. I am so excited for this wig install. Honestly, like, I'm so excited. So let's dive right into the install process. Alright guys, so you guys can see that the wig looks so much better after applying foundation. You guys can see that it blends very well with my skin right now, and this is just giving Barbie vibes. I am not even done, you know, installing this wig and, you know, doing all my, you know, all my work to it, and it's already looking amazing. It's already looking amazing. You guys can see it's so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead to use my got2b glue on the hairline, tie it up, and we can come back and see the finished look of the hair. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the hair. What do you guys think about this beautiful wig? You guys, this wig is giving Barbie. Like, it's giving Barbie, you know Barbie is blonde with the pink outfit. Everything is just giving Barbie, and I am so in love. You guys, call me the braided body queen. Yes, that's what you should call me. What do you guys think about this beautiful wig? I love it so much. Please do well to rate this hair over 10. How did your girl do? And I went ahead to add the accessories, the beads, and all of that stuff. It is just so beautiful and so gorgeous. You guys, this wig is just everything, and I am so in love with the color. Just look at the color on this wig. Just look at everything melted so well. This wig is 32 inches long. It is very long. It is so cute. Like, this wig is just giving everything it is supposed to give right now. Like, I love it. 10 over 10 minus nothing. Fabelle hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this fabulous hair. You guys did an amazing job with this beautiful wig. I love the color. The color suits my skin. You guys, if you are ever scared of trying on this type of color of braids, don't be scared, because it looks good on me and it's going to look good on you. And make sure you check Fabelle wig. You guys, they have beautiful wigs in different colors. This is just one of the colors. They have in black, they have in, just name it, any color that you want. This wig is so pretty, and it comes with cute accessories too. So do well to click on the title of this video. It is going to take you straight to my description box. Click the link and go and buy your hair. You guys, Christmas is around the corner, and you need to slay for Christmas. Trust me, you need to slay for Christmas. So you can as well just buy this now while, you know, we wait for Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching this beautiful video today. Remember to give it a huge thumbs up and send this wig link to someone that you know needs to try out this color and need to try out this beautiful boho braided wig. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.